Welcome to my channel Chalo Padhe. In this channel today we are going to study about the second part of the IT 402 chapter word processor. I think you all have must watched my part 1 of this video where I have discussed the styles and different type of images, how to change the shapes. Now in this we will move the further topics of class 10th syllabus of the word processor. I think you must have already liked, share as well as subscribed my channel. Those who have not done, they will do it now only. Now we are going to continue with our lecture, that is on my channel Chalo Padhe. Our next topic is text wrapping. Text wrapping means first you need to insert an image. You have inserted the image from the clip art, any image you have inserted, and now you want to write some text here. In that, what we are going to do, I want to move this picture here. Now what you want, it is coming in between this word, right click, you are having a text wrapping feature in which you can make it square. You can see the words are showing and the picture is in between that square. Next is you want to show it in a tight form. You can also make it in a tight form. Next, if you want to show it behind the text, you can see your picture is behind the text and your text is on the picture. Same way you can do it. You can send the picture at the front and your text will be at the back. Now you are not able to view the text wherever your text is written. By putting it, you have chosen the option behind text. So text is behind the image. If you will put it behind text, then your image will be behind the text and whatever you have written, that will be on the image. In Word Art Gallery, you are having 30 different font styles which you can use it. Next topic is your templates. How you will insert the template. What do you mean by templates? Template means to which format which are already there. Template refer to the sample document. This is the document. I have done a go to file, new. Already you are using the blank document. Blank document means everything you need to write, everything you need to do. But in your MS Word you are having some installed templates in which already formatting done, already color decision, everything is done. What you need to do, you need to only select and write the text on that. See, number of installed templates are there. If you want to install more, you can install according to your requirement. Suppose I am creating a equity report. You will click on create. See, color, font, style, everything is there. What I want to write here, ABC Company Limited. So I have written only the name. Rest formatting already done. Here you can write the any subtitle of the document. Here the company name. This way you can type only the text, but already format, everything is there. So what is equity report? Mainly it is your companies are using for creating their equity fund, mutual fund report. So you are having different type of installed templates are there. Like if you want to create your own resume, you want to create an original letter, you can create an origin letter, you can create an origin resume. See, this way what you have, wherever you want to type address, phone number, email, this objective, here you will type your education, experience. That means the format of your resume is there. You need to type only your text. That is your templates. Mainly templates means ready-made document is there formatting, everything is done. You have to create only your you have to create that as a document by entering your text. There are some built-in template. These all are the built-in template which is already available in Word. Even if you want to create a template from the existing template, that also you can go to File, New, then New from Existing. If already existing available templates are there, you can click there and then you can open that template. You can create a new also, that you can use it later. Right? In this way you can create your own templates also. Here these are the online templates are also there, whichever you want to download. Like you want to create a certificate template, if it is available online, you can choose that and then you can download. This way you can you can use the install template, my template. If I have already created that, templates will be available here. This way you can use the template, which means the sample of the document which is already there. By default, whenever you create any document file, that extension is docx. But when you will create any template and you will save it, that time its extension will be dotx. Dot means template. Extension is dot. By default, Word document extension is .docx, but when you create a template, the extension is .tx. Clear? So this is the difference of between your template as well as the blank document which you can create. Now the next topic which we have to discuss, that is your table. How you can insert a table? There are 3 different ways to create a table. Go to Insert, go to Table option, move the cursor on these squares. That much number of rows and column table will be created. Another way is go to Insert Table. Insert Table. You can write here number of rows and columns, and that much size table will be created. Another way is go to Insert, go to Table, click on Draw Table, pencil like will be there, and then you can draw the lines according to your choice, whichever number of rows or columns you want to create. Clear? Now I will tell you how to insert the data in the table. Go to Insert, first switch off that Draw Table. Now put the cursor there and you can start. You can move to the next column by pressing the Tab key. Clear? I am reducing the size little bit so that it will be fit within that column. I have written a name, I have written a class, roll number, and I have written the marks. This way I am creating a table. Here you are creating a table. Now if you want to add more rows, you will press simply the Tab key. It will further the rows will be created. Now if you want to delete it, if you want to delete that rows, go to Table tool. Whenever you will insert table, 2 tabs will automatically insert it, Design and Layout. Go to Layout, click on Delete Row. Delete rows, or if you want to delete any column, delete column. Wherever my cursor, that is deleted. You want to insert any row above, insert above, insert below, insert left, insert right. See, in this way you can create it, delete column. You need to click delete column. You want to delete row, delete row. You want to delete row. Clear? If you want to delete a table, select the table, delete table. You can delete the whole table in a one go. Now, if you want to do a formatting of the table, go to design. See, different type of formatting is already, layout is there. See, by clicking on that, color, design, your formatting, everything is changing. These are the different table styles. Number of table styles are there. Whichever you want to choose, you can choose it. Another is, in design view, you can give header row, table row, whichever heading you want to give. You want to give a shading on this, you can give any shading. You want to give a border, you can give all border. The whole lines are shown. If I will click on no border, no line will be visible. Lines are there, but it is not visible. All border. Now you want to increase the size of the line, style, pattern, you can do it. See, by moving it on that particular line, you can give that styles to that as a border. This type pencil will be available. Next, pen color means you want to give lines different colors. Choose it. Again, pen will be with you and you can see the color of the lines are changing wherever I am moving the pen. Next, eraser. You want to erase any line, you can erase it. See, even I can erase a small part of the line also. Now it is 1 because I have erased the line. This way you can use the eraser, draw table. Again you can draw the table from here also. Layout I have explained you, delete, insert. Now split cells. Suppose I have inserted one row above and I want to write here result sheet. And I want to merge all the cells. Go there. So now it will be a single column, single row, no lines are visible. That is my merge cell. Now again, if you want to split it, split cell. Earlier it was 4. Now I want to split it into 2, 3, 4, 5, whichever number you want. You can split C. Now that column is split into the further. Now if you want to split your table, you want to break your table that these separate table. Click on split table. You can see now it is converted into the 2 tables. So this way you can split as well as this. Here you can even do the, I am again merging it. If you want to align it in a different way, you can align it in the center, bottom, toward the bottom, right, left. So these are the different even text directions also you want to choose. You can choose it as an alignment. See, different alignment is there. Text directions are there. You can even sort the data. Sort the data. It is already, yes, click on sort. Column 1, text, ascending. Okay, you can see the data is sorted now. This way you can do it. Now if you want to convert this table into text, I am deleting these 2 rows. Now I want to convert this row into text. Convert to text. You can use comma, tab or any other sign. Okay, you can see now it is not in that row. It is like a simple text. Now if you want to again convert it into table, select it, go to insert, table, convert text to table. You want to convert it into 4 columns. Okay, see, this way you can convert the text to table and table to text. That's all about the today's lecture. Now I think You must have watched the first part, and I think you like it. You will got a good knowledge, and all of you have subscribed, like, as well as share my channel. Wait for the next video, part 3. In that I will complete this chapter, whichever is left. Up to that, take care. Have a nice day. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Link is in the description. Those who have not watched my first part, they can watch it. Thank you. Have a nice day.